Mga kababayan, sa panahon ng kasinungalingan, ang katotohanan ang unang pinapatahimik. Pero dito sa channel na ito, tayo'y laging nagsasalita ng totoo. Sa pagsali sa aking YouTube membership, tinutulungan ninyo akong manatiling malaya, walang takot, walang pinapanigan, at handang lumaban para sa bayan. Salamat po. Sali na po sa hashtag #WalkWithLand YouTube channel membership. At remember, our goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers para mas maraming Pilipino, lalo na kayong mga OFW sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, United Arab Emirates, Toronto, Canada, Los Angeles, USA, at Hong Kong. Ang makarinig ng katotohanan, hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment down below your thoughts, share it with your friends abroad, and if you can, send the super thanks, my friends, to support more content like this. Direkta na tayo sa punto mga kaibigan, mga kababayan ha. Wala nang pasakali dahil ang oras natin ay mahalaga. Isipin ninyo, mana sa Ama. Yan ang tanong na lumutang sa isipan ng marami ng pumalag si Congressman Paulo Marcoleta laban sa kritiko ni Vice President Sara Duterte sa House of Representatives. Pero wait, let's clarify. Si Paulo po ay anak ni Senador Rodante Marcoleta, ay hindi lang pumalag, sumabog siya ng katotohanan sa gitna ng impeachment drama na ito. Okay, where the Supreme Court already declared the process unconstitutional daw, no? Hindi daw, totoo po 'yun na unconstitutional ang sinabi ng Korte Suprema sa uh, sa ano po ni impeachment case po ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Blanco no. Bakit pa ba nagpupumilit ang House of Representatives? It's like bad telenovela, full of twists but zero substance. Today, we are diving deep into this controversy, favoring the truth tellers like the Marcoleta father, son Duo, and Vice President Sara Duterte, while calling out the HOR for what it is, a house of cards built on political vendettas. Okay, fact-based po tayo, witty at may konting satire para hindi kayo mabore dyan. Kaya stay tuned mga kaibigan, okay? Yan, maluwag pala. Mga youth at OFW sa Sydney, Australia, Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, at Vancouver, Canada. This is for you. Ayan ha. Okay, magsimula po tayo sa facts. Siyempre, ganun na po talaga tayo, di ba? Mga kaibigan, noong February 2025, in-impeach ng House si VP Sara Duterte with 215 signatures. Ang dami po niyan ha. Over 1/3 na po yan ng miyembro ng House of Representatives. Ang charges, misuse of funds, betrayal of public trust, at iba pa. Pero look at the list. Sandro Marcos, Aurelio Gonzales, at marami pang allied with the administration. No? Balanced view natin. Sa isang banda, critics says it's accountability. After all, yung confidential funds na 775 million pesos from 2022 to 2023, maraming unanswered questions. Pero sa kabilang banda, Vice President Sara's side argues it's political harassment, a plot to block her 2028 run. And si Senator Marcoleta po, mga kaibigan, dati po siyang congressman, parang si Congressman Paulo Marcoleta din, siya po ay kilalang bilang kakampi o alay ni Vice President Sara Duterte, and siya po ang nag-defend dun sa budget hearing noong 2024. No? Sabi niya, citing tradition and parliamentary courtesy. Kasi dati po, hindi na po yan, hindi na dinidefend kasi OVP parang OP. No? Ngayon, bilang senador, he moved to archive the impeachment, At tagumpay po siya doon, At si Congressman Paulo, sa latest hearing, he questioned the HOR's defiance of the SC ruling na unconstitutional ang process. Hindi pa final, no? Pero bakit nagpupumilit? Okay, manas ama talaga, no? Both are hard-hitting, fact-driven, no? But HOR ay isang spoiled child, no? Sabi niya, I want impeachment now. Ano ba 'yun? No? Habang ang Supreme Court, ang nanay nagsasabi, no, it's invalid. Witty, di ba? Para sa inyo, sa Doha, Qatar, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, at London, UK, imagine your hard-earned remittances going to this circus. Okay? Under the Constitution, Article 11, impeachment needs culpable violation, but the Supreme Court said the House rush without due process. They stand the rule of law, not vendetta. No? Okay, mga kababayan, parang comedy skit, di ba? Vice President Sara criticizing HOR as insulting the people. Tapos pumalag si Paulo, no? Why defy the President and Supreme Court? Classic family tag team. Pero seryoso, i-like nyo na at i-comment if you agree. Ano ang tingin ninyo? Share na sa inyong group chats sa Singapore, Milan, Italy, at Melbourne, Australia. Let's give credit where it's due. Si Senador Rodante Marcoleta, intellectual, powerhouse, lawyer na may track record sa defending the underdog noong congressman pa siya. He called out the HOR for breaking tradition in OVP budget hearings. No? Sa ano naman, 2024, September 2024, he moved to terminate questioning on Sara's 2 billion pesos budget, saying, respect the office. At ngayon, as senator, he's pushing for archiving the impeachment, arguing mali ang proseso, no? His son, Congressman Paulo Henry Marcoleta, mana talaga, no? Sa Sagip party list, is questioning the House defiance, no? Why did the HOR defy the president's pronouncement, no? Referring to PBBM's November 2024 statement na not important ang impeachment. Okay? They are fact-based warriors, not puppets. Okay? She's resilient, criticizing HOR for political attacks, but is standing firm. Oh, may questions sa fans, but without full audit from COA. It's premature, no? HOR acting like a kangaroo court, jumping to conclusions. Okay? This teaches us to question authority. OFW sa Abu Dhabi, mga kaibigan, ha? UAE, New York, USA, at Paris, France. Your taxes deserve better. Okay? Impeachment, mga kaibigan, isn't a tool for 2028 politics. It's for betrayal, per constitution. Okay? Marcoleta duo, the father and son team, exposes that. Okay ha? Quick shout out to tayo mga kaibigan. Kayo sa Quezon City, Metro Manila, Davao City, Cebu City, at Manila. Gusto ko pong makita ang comment nyo sa baba. Sino ang tama? Marcoleta o House of Representatives? Like if pro Marcoleta, share if pro truth, at for super thanks naman from Los Angeles, California, Toronto, Ontario, at Riyadh. Salamat po It helps us reach 100,000 subscribers. Ngayon, the hard-hitting part. Bakit criticize ang House of Representatives? No? Facts show defiance. Despite Supreme Court ruling unconstitutional, ang impeachment, no due process, rush signatures, they insist on proceeding. Speaker Romualdez said it's deeply concerning na ibinalik ng Senate. But hello, the Senate, led by allies like Amy Marcos, voted to return it, claiming it's about blocking Sara's 2028 bid, not accountability. Pero sa pro-HOR side naman, they claim public trust, 215 signatures, including Makabayan Black. Pero critics, it's vendetta, with allies like Romualdez controlling the narrative. Okay? HOR, no? Parang old boys club. We impeach because we can. Wow, grabe, no? Like a bad breakup. Sara resigned from cabinet. Now, HOR is seeking revenge, no? Under RA 6770, Ombudsman Act funds issues should go to COA first. not HOR, no? Okay? HOR show trial, no? This wastes time, no? While inflation, poverty rage, they call for respect to institutions, no? Para sa OFWs naman natin sa Sydney, Dubai, at San Francisco, California. Imagine your remittances funding this drama instead of infrastructure. House of Representatives criticizing Sara for boycott the hearings. Pero sila ang boycotting the constitutional comment. Your satire takes below, mga kababayan sa Edmonton, no? Kuala Lumpur at Singapore. Okay, for credibility, naman, pakinggan natin ang House of Representatives. Accountability is key, no? Sara's no-show sa budget hearings, no, insulted Congress per Representative Franz Castro, calling her Bratinella, no? 125 million pesos secret funds spent in 11 days needs explanation. Okay, political timing, no? Suspects po yan. Pero post Marcos Duterte feud, no? Tradition of courtesy to OVP, as Rodante argued. Paulo questions defiance of PBBMs, not important. Both sides like kids fighting over toys or candies, no? Impeachment as the ultimate. I win button. Okay? This erodes trust in institutions. Youth learn from it. Demand facts, not drama. Imagine si Paulo, mana sa ama, standing up like David versus Goliath, HR, similar to US impeachments, partisan, not pure. Para sa inyo sa Doha, Vancouver at Calgary, your votes matter in 2028. Amend Constitution for clear impeachment rules. They push dialogue over division. Mga kababayan sa Hong Kong, Las Vegas, Nevada, at Brisbane, subscribe now. Okay? Like, comment, mana sa ama. If you support Marcoleta, share to OFW groups and super thanks, no? Para sa more videos. Okay, Vice President Sara pumalag sa House of Representatives as insulting. Paulo pumalag, back family feud or heroic defense. Mana sa ama. Parang teleserye, di ba? The impeachment saga. Senate returned articles, no? Last June 2025. House of Representatives concerned, but Marcoleta duo exposes hypocrisy. Budget scrutiny, good, but selective. Why not all agencies? Criticize House of Representatives, focusing on Sara while ignoring own pork barrel issues. Marcoleta for rule of law, Sara for resilience. Okay? From Rodante's 2024 defense to Paulo's 2025 stand, legacy of truth. This tests Philippines' democracy. Youth, OFWs, be vigilant. To summarize, mana sa ama talaga. Paulo at Rodante Marcoleta, pumalag with facts. Favoring truth over politics. Alongside Vice President Sara stand, House of Representatives, criticized for defiance and vendetta. Both sides have points naman din, but rule of law wins. Mga kababayan sa Quezon City, Davao, Toronto, Riyadh, Sydney, at lahat ng listed cities, subscribe na, i-like na, i-comment na ang inyong mga syudad at ang inyong mga lugar. I-share at i-send na ito send ng super thanks. Mga kababayan, hindi na po ako mahihiya. Ang goal po natin, 100,000 subscribers para mas malakas ang boses natin. Salamat sa panonood. Stay informed, stay witty, at lumaban para sa bayan. Mabuhay Pilipinas!